Hi everyone, are you guys ready to start another day? Well, we should begin with a beautiful smile. Sprouting time. I will sprout two kinds of sunflower. This is I think giant one, the big kind, and these are different colors. Mammoth gray stripe. So these are the big ones. Ganyan siya. Ito ang seeds nila malalaki. So that's 10. Looks like some not good anymore. Like this one get open on the side. This one. Let me try this. So 10 for the big ones. Next, the colored ones. So these are smaller, but it will come in different colors. Crazy mixture. So for the colored ones, I will try to sprout 15 different kinds. Look at the seeds. Oh, some are really small. So I'll just put plenty in my hand and then I will choose. There, ang dami. Next, water it. And my day is not yet over, guys, because right now I am here at the back garden picking some branches of rosemary. Yes, we have plant. And what shall I do with all these branches? I will cut in half like this, and then I will be making something out from this. Wow, rosemary smells good. And then I will be needing a piece of lemon. This is from the garden too. So slice like this. Hi everyone, it's Nina's Day Vlogs. Mamaya magluluto ako ng dinner, but for the meantime, meron pa akong isang gagawin. You know what guys, naubusan kami ng air freshener dito sa bahay. So for the meantime, ako na lang ang gagawa. Homemade air freshener. So eto, napakadali lamang. Right now, I am waiting for the water to boil. So, nagpapakulo po ako ng tubig. And then, I have two ingredients. Yung galing po sa aming garden. Wait, kukunin ko yung aking dalawang ingredient. At ito ang aking dalawang ingredients. Mainit na yung tubig. Ilalagay ko yung kinuha ko sa aming garden na rosemary. Lagay natin, mabango siya guys. Mabango yung rosemary. And remember, we have lemon. I picked a lot again. Madami na naman po akong na-harvest. So, ilagay natin yung lemon. 1 lemon lang. I slice it into 4. Ayan. So, hayaan lang natin na kumulo kasi mabango siya pag kumukulo. And that is our air freshener. Hindi na kailangang bumili ng mga mahal. So, I will just leave like this na sumisingaw-singaw yung rosemary at saka lemon. And after this, I will be cooking our dinner. So what's for dinner? Oh, you have to wait and see. It's very simple again. Simpleng dinner lang po mamaya. Ayan, I will show you how it looks right now. Yan. Ang bango talaga ng rosemary. At saka yung lemon, di ba nag-a-absorb siya ng bad smell? Ayan. Hayaan ko lang na ganyan. Total, nandito naman ako sa kitchen. Nag-prepare for our dinner. I saw the mailman coming and we are waiting for a package. So I might as well go in front of the house and wait for the mailman because I need to sign something. See you later, guys. Eto na siya, guys. At last, we received this package and I'm very excited because this one is really it will help me in making videos. I just remember, guys, kailangan ko pala ng green onion leaves, kaya dito na lang ako sa aking garden kukuha. Ayan, kailangan ko for garnishing later. Okay, I get one. Saan pa? Gusto ko yung maganda. Yung magandang onion. Siyempre, tulad ko. Joke lang po. Just kidding. Ay, hindi nakuha lahat. Ayan, for garnishing lang naman. Tama na to. Salamat ulit. Thank you. Okay guys, so mag-start na tayong magluto. I have here Kahlua pork. So this is a Hawaiian dish. Konting trivia with Kahlua pork. Ito po ay pork butt. Ang grab ng salt. Niluto nila underground. So naghukay sila. They put this one wrapped in tea leaf, I think. And then aside from charcoal, they put some stones. So, niluto nila ng pagkahaba-habang oras until tender yung pork. At look guys, it looks perfect. Tapos, nag-shred lang sila. Hindi rin ako maglalagay ng salt kasi medyo salty na siya. Super fast ang aming dinner tonight. Gusto ko lang makasigurado na hindi na siya frozen. Okay, so medyo nagda-dry na siya. Maglalagay ako ng eto, yung sliced onion. Lagay natin lahat. Make the onion aromatic and translucent. Ayan, okay na siya. So next, kukunin ko. Eto guys, look, ang daming cabbage. Eto ang vegetable niya. Siya nga pala, ang pangalan nitong dish namin is Kahlua pork with cabbage. Kaya madaling cabbage talaga. At kapag nagluto ako ng ganito, ang gusto ng asawa ko, madami talagang cabbage. Ang gusto niya, ilagay ko yung isang buong malaki. Mix. You can just open. Madami naman masyado. At itong niluluto ko, good for 2 nights again. Good for 2 nights. So, tomorrow, alam na, relax, relax. Ganyan kami. Pag nagluto, talagang dapat pang 2 araw. Para tipid sa kuryente. After few minutes, eto na siya. Malapit na siyang maluto. Tingnan niyo guys. Oh, look good. This is ono. Lalagyan ko din siya ng konting ground pepper. Lagyan natin ng ground pepper. Tapos, garnish natin yung onion leaves kanina. Okay na to. Okay ng dinner. Ayan. So, tapos na. Kakain na mamaya. Simple lang siyang ulam. Pero, syempre masarap. Ayan siya. Do not overcook the cabbage. Para super sarap. Okay, let's eat. There. Okay, let's eat. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you again next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh my god, this is so cool. Wow. This is the one inside the package, guys. Are you ready? Oops.